Okay guys, in the previous session we covered the feature processing and the dataset split. In this session we are going to cover fit the model and checking out the accuracy of the model. At the end of this session you will be able to fit the model and you will be able to use cross-validation to cross-validate the accuracy of the model. So count underscore vectorizer is equal to count vectorizer bracket, then x train underscore occurrence is equal to count underscore vectorizer dot fit underscore transform. Okay, inside the I path in x train. All right, then tf idf underscore transform is equal to tf idf is equal to tf idf transformer bracket, then x okay, x underscore tf idf is equal to tf idf underscore transformer dot fit transform underscore train. Dot fit transform bracket x train underscore occurrences, then model. Okay, so it's a time to fit the model linear supportive vector machine. So dot fit I path in the x train dataset which is stored on x dot in x underscore tfidf comma x train. So boom, after running this cell I can see the errors, but I think there is something wrong. This is not x train, it should be x train. What's the problem? I see there is a still error. Okay, something is wrong here. Okay, this should be x underscore train. Okay. Oh, this is becoming a problem. I can write it on another coding editor, then paste it on Jupyter Notebook. This is not a bigger problem. Okay, so here I can say this is x underscore training. I can just copy it and paste it here. All right, after running the cell you can see the cell is running successful. So this is actually, I can say, the part number 3. Okay, even though this is whole tutorial, but there are sub parts. Okay, so part number 1, we loaded the dataset and imported the necessary packages to be used in the project. Okay, part number 2 of this full course was data exploration, to extract some important information from dataset so as we can have the total visibility of dataset. Then part number 3 is feature processing. Okay, feature processing and the dataset split. Okay, so this is fitting the model. We have successfully fitted the model. So what I want to do here, I just want to see the accuracy of the model by using one of metrics called cross validation. So v is equal to cross underscore val score. Okay, then cross underscore val dot score bracket model, then xtfidf comma y train. I'm still writing y train, it should be y train. Okay, for I in range bracket 10, print accuracy of CVM is. Okay, let me use Python format to print out the accuracy of the created model, right? Perfect. Okay, dot format. Okay, dot format bracket v square bracket I comma square bracket normal bracket. So this should be y train. Oh, I don't know what's happening, it's a bit confusing. So CV is equal to 10 bracket. Okay, now you can see this is accuracy of our model. The accuracy is cross validated 10 times. Okay, I'm trying out to change the format so as to see if it can look nicely. Run this to the cell. Alright, after that, let's just try to print the mean accuracy of the model. So print, the Python is function for sending the message to the screen. Okay, so print mean accuracy of the model is okay, the mean accuracy of SVM is v dot mean bracket. So let me run the cell. So you can see the mean accuracy of the model is actual 0.7, which is almost the 70% of accuracy. Okay, so we are doing good. So this is machine learning book classification. Okay, we want to classify the PDF full search PDF uploaded by the user. Okay, we want to classify them, get the category of the book, then save the information to the backend database. Okay, all right. So this is an end of part number 4 of this course, machine learning book classification. We have covered the fit the model and checking the accuracy by using cross validation. In the next session, we'll cover the prediction of phrase from different books by using the created model.